Kamusta po? Nangarap ka din bang pumunta dito sa Amerika or andito ka na? Pero ang hirap pa din ng buhay, di ba? Akala ng iba madali. Isa ako sa naka-experience ng hirap, not even here in America. Huwag mo muna skip tong video na to. I will share something to you. Ako po si Sandra Chavalla, naninirahan dito sa USA, Oklahoma. I've been here since 2023. Very recent, diba? And I experienced many challenges in life already. I was so stressed and overthinking about the struggle in our life financially. Why I overthink? It's because meron akong maliit na anak na di ko pwedeng iwanan mag-isa to do full-time work. So one day, nagbabrowse ako sa social media. Meron kasi akong hinahanap na napanood ko na noon, pero skeptical kasi ako to sign up. Kaya lagi ko pinapalampas. Kaya nung nakita ko tong katulad ng video na pinapanood mo ngayon, hindi ko na pinalampas. Nag-join na ako. The system connected me to Joy. She's very inspiring and successful doing this business. Siya yung coach ko. Sobrang nakarelate ako sa kanya kasi her story just like me. She was stressed and desperate for a way out. She used to work 2 jobs before. She's trying her best na makaahon sa struggle niya sa buhay. Pero kahit anong gawin niya, she still lives the same cycle of life. Hirap na hirap siya financially. Pero dahil sa business na to, nabago ang buhay niya. Now she's living her best life with her family. Kaya I connected with her. I am very eager to learn more about the business information. And I watched the webinar na pinadala niya sa email ko. After watching the webinar, I realized na ito na siguro yun. Kaya nag-join ako. Hindi ako makapaniwala sa results ng business na to sa akin. I've been learning a lot. Amazing system that's already in place for us. Hindi mo kailangan maging tech-savvy or business experience. Kasi lahat ng sales tools for you to become successful will be provide for you. The lifetime mentorship is available 24/7 at meron kang coach and mentor na mag-guide sa'yo. We want to see you succeed in this journey. Our goal is to help you earn as quickly as possible. At ang gusto ko sa business na to, no selling involved. No need to invite. Otherwise, wala ako dito. On top of that, the business is legitimate. You will get a tax slip at the end of the year. It's federal tax registered. The best part? Everything is automated. The system will continuously work for you 24/7, running in the background. Kaya kahit tulog ka, you're still getting massive results online. Kahit nasa bakasyon ka or maybe busy taking care of your family like me, I'm here in the park with my kids. You're currently juggling multiple jobs? You can still able to run this business kasi 90% of the job ay gagawin ng system for you. The key is not how long hours you need to be at work, but having the right system and the right knowledge to make it work. There's a lot of layers in this business na mahirap isa-isahin. Kaya if you're interested in learning more, please connect with me. Tap the link below, sign up your name and email address so I can send you the free info na kailangan mong panoorin. Yes, you need to get yourself an informed decision and see if this something aligns with your interest. Kasi after mong mapanood ang video, you will learn right away whether it is for you or not. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the inside.